Whenever I try to close Microsoft Word, I get this error message: Word cannot save or create this file. This problem can happen when Word does not have permission to access the templates folder. To fix it, first close Microsoft Word. Now open File Explorer and go to your user folder, then open the app data, then roaming, then Microsoft. Inside the Microsoft folder, look for the templates folder. If you try to open it, you may see a message saying that you do not currently have permission to access this folder. To fix that, right click on the templates folder and select Properties. Go to the Security tab and click Edit. Now select your user account and look at the permissions section. If any deny boxes are checked, uncheck them one by one and click Apply. After removing the denied permissions, click OK. Now you should be able to open the templates folder without any problem. Inside the templates folder, find the file called Normal.dotm. Delete file. Don't worry, Microsoft Word will automatically create a new one the next time it starts. Now open Microsoft Word again and close it. As you can see, the error message is gone and the problem has been fixed. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.